Alright, y'all. We got another one of them taste tests. And today's taste test is going to be some candy. It's going to be some really good candy, I hope. And what it is Sour Patch Cola Bubbles. So it feels like little balls of Sour Patch. So, let's crack them open, see what we got. A little Blake sniff test. Smells like cola. Alright, we're out to get started with the odor. Ooh, what is that? It's like a little purple ball. Alright, let's give it a try. Not necessarily bad. Kind of chewy. Oh, look at that. Got some light colored ones. Let's try that. Those taste like cola. Dark ones did not. Oh, let's try a handful of them. We got some light and some dark ones. Yeah, light and dark. All right, here we go. Well, if you like Sour Patch, you like these. I like more fruity flavors. Will I get these again? I'll probably get like a little pack. It's like a really big pack. Like a $3 pack here. I might get, nah, if I'm debating, I probably wouldn't get it. So we're gonna get us a 3/4 thumbs up. Not a half. Oh, what is that? Oh, I thought I had some on my face. Not a full 3/4. So, like I always say, if you guys want to see me try something, just subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, give us a like on these videos, and we'll try some other stuff. Alright? Alright. We'll see y'all later on. Take it easy.